First things first, let's get the Vercel command line interface installed on your system. The CLI is a powerful tool that lets you deploy your Next.js apps with ease. Open up your terminal and type npm install Vercel. This command installs the Vercel CLI globally on your machine, which means you can use it from any directory. Next, let's move into your projects directory. Replace my Next app with the name of your own Next.js project folder. If you're already there, fantastic. You're one step closer to deployment. If this is a brand new project, you'll need to set up a Git repository. This isn't mandatory for Vercel deployment, but it's a good practice for version control. To initialize a new Git repo, use git init, then git add. To stage your files, and finally git commit initial commit to commit your project to the newly created Git repository. Let's deploy your project. Type Vercel and hit enter. The Vercel CLI springs into action, asking you a series of questions to configure your deployment. Don't worry. It's smart enough to set sensible defaults for most options, which is especially helpful if this is your first time. An alternate method is to push your code to a remote Git repository like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Then, you can head over to the Vercel dashboard in your web browser and import your project directly. Vercel integrates seamlessly with these providers, offering continuous deployment every time you push new code. When you're ready to launch your app to the world, add the prod flag to your deploy command like so. Vercel prod. This ensures that your deployment is marked as production, and it'll be available to your users with the performance and stability they expect from a top-tier Next.js application.